Monsoon mayhem wreaked havoc in parts of India, China and Pakistan, from northern states of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand to southern state of Kerala. Torrential rain has triggered landslides, claiming hundreds of lives.
With normal life thrown out of gear, Pakistan and China have witnessed record rainfall this year. Our next report will tell you how these countries have been battling full-scale devastation all this while. Take a look.
Monsoon mayhem grips parts of southern and eastern Asia. India, China and Pakistan are battling record rains this year. In India's God's own country, Kerala, hopes of finding more survivors in deadly landslides have been fading. The scenic Wayanad villages have almost wiped out.
There were more than 400 houses in this area. Now only 30 are left. This was a very beautiful place. I used to visit here many times. My friend had 3 houses here. Now there is nothing left. We are finding bodies that have lost limbs. Sometimes we find only limbs.
Steady rain and lack of road access to affected areas have hampered rescue work. Authorities are also taking necessary steps to prevent the spreading of an epidemic at different relief camps.
So we have moved troops from all over South India, from Trivandrum, from Calicut, from Kannur and from Bangalore, using aircraft as well as by road.
Now in less than 48 hours, the Indian Army has managed to build a bridge that is completely sort of safe for vehicles to traverse. You can bring in ambulances, you can bring in reasonably heavy vehicles. All of these vehicles can traverse on the large bridge you see there, the one that has a netted structure on the green colored bridge. That's known as a Bailey's Bridge. It can be assembled in very less time, and the Army has shown that they can put together a bridge like this. This is a serious display of their engineering talent amid the most harshest of conditions.
In northern India, cloudbursts triggered landslides in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand have claimed dozens of lives. Several pilgrims are feared stranded at the pilgrimage site in Kedarnath. There seems no relief in Pakistan. Its second largest city, Lahore, has come to a grinding halt. Torrential rains have flooded streets and houses, causing massive power outages and traffic disruptions. The rains in Lahore have surpassed July 1980 record. Heavy rains have swept northeast China's Heilongjiang province. While rural areas have submerged, several parts of Changchun remain waterlogged. Are these vagaries of climate or caused by unchecked human onslaught? Bureau Report, WION, World is One.